Content titles: The Intelligent Donkey, The Jackal and the Drum, Kangaroo, The Strange Animal, A Visit to a Zoo, Know Your Home, Jumbo, The Cricketer, Healthy Vitamins, Time and Day. First one, The Intelligent Donkey. Activity 1. Is the pigeon flying? Yes, it is. It is flying. Is the girl running? No, she is not. She is dancing. Is the farmer ploughing the field? Yes, he is. He is ploughing the field. Activity 2. Activity 3 ದಲ್ಲಿ answer the following questions. Where was the donkey walking? The donkey was walking in a forest. Who was the donkey? A wolf saw the Who saw the donkey? A wolf saw the donkey. What did what did the wolf want to do? The wolf wanted to eat the donkey. Why did the donkey limp? The donkey wanted to save his life from wolf. What did the wolf ask the donkey? The wolf asked the donkey, what is the matter? Why are you limping? Sixth one, why did the wolf want to help? The wolf wanted to help donkey because if it would remove a thorn, it can easily eat it. How did the donkey save himself? The donkey kicked the wolf and ran away and saved himself. Rewrite the story in the dialogue form. Donkey, oh, what a thick forest. Wolf, wow, I got my food today. Ha ha ha. Donkey, the wolf is kill me. Going to kill me. ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Wolf, now I will jump on the donkey. Donkey, ha ha ha. There is a pain in my leg. Wolf, why? What happened? Can I help you? Donkey, yes, please. There is a thorn in my left hand leg. Wolf, let's see. I will remove that. Donkey kicked forcefully. This is the plan I did to escape from you. Wolf, ayyo, my jaws are shaking, my whole body is aching. Second lesson, The Jackal and the Drum. Activity 1. Activity 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ complete the passage using the words in the box. First one, deserted battlefield, food, realized noise, desert. Activity 3, homophones. First one, weak, second one, weak, third one, here, fourth one, here. First one ಗೆ WEAK weak, WEAK weak, HERA here, HEAR here, HIGHER higher, HIRE higher. Activity 4, knife, knives, life, lives, baby, baby, city, cities, lady, ladies, leaf, leaves, class, classes, mango, mangoes, sin, sins, bench, benches. Activity 5, underline the silent letters in the following words. Activity 6, choose the appropriate word from the box and fill in the blanks using the past form of the words. The dog bit the man. The grass grew tall. Third one, cried, threw, caught, burnt, won, lost, flied, wrote, drove, tore, opened, swam. Write a few more homophones. Hair, hair, see, buy, be. Activity 7, places. Zoo, railway stations, gardens, public places, ground. ಝೂದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ಲಯನ್, ಟೈಗರ್ಸ್, ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್, ಆಫೀಸಸ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್. ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, ಲಾನ್ಸ್. greenhouse, tree. Public places ಅಲ್ಲಿ house, hotels, buildings, hospitals, officers, tree, stone. Activity 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ some words go in pairs. Choose the correct word from the box to complete the pairs. The first one has been done for you. Bread and butter, needle and thread, pepper and salt, fruit and vegetable, cup and saucer, knives and forks, ladies and gentlemen, shoes and socks, collar and cuff, brush and comb, friends and enemies, town and country, star and moon, silver and gold, newspaper and magazines, carriage and horse, sheep and goats, questions and answer, carrots and radishes, loaves and stitches. Slices. Activity 9. Underline the words that the sentences tell you to do. Find two animals: bed, bear, cat, chair, bear, cat. Find two toys: ball, doll. Find two pieces of furniture: table, chair. Find two numbers: 4, 8. Find two colors: green, red. Kangaroo, the strange animal. For third one lesson. Activity 1. Questions. In which country are the kangaroos found in large numbers? The kangaroo are found in Australia in large number. What is special about kangaroo? The kangaroo has a pouch in which the mother kangaroo carries its baby. Third one. What does a kangaroo feed on? A kangaroo feeds on plants and grasses. Fourth. How do the hind legs and tail help a kangaroo? They help the kangaroo to leap forward. Activity 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ using the table given below, frame as many sentences as possible. These are books, these are pens, etc. ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು. Next, activity 3. Match the column A and column B and frame sentences as given in the example below. 5th September Teachers Day, 1st November Rajyotsava, Kannada Rajyotsava, 8th November Women's Day, 14th November Children's Day, 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd Sunday in May Mother's Day. Activity 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ choose the correct word from the pair and complete the sentences. Anything, nothing, ever, never, anybody, nobody. Anywhere, nowhere. Activity 5. Understand the meaning of the pairs of words given below and use them in sentences. Principal. Mr. Keshav is the principal of my school. Principal. A principal is a good ground rule. Right. I write with my right hand. Right. I write copywriting neatly. Bear. There is a bear in the forest. Bear. He cleans shoes with his bare hands. Wait. Wait for me. I will come within few minutes. Wait. My weight is 25 kilogram. Activity 6. Fill in the blanks using the appropriate word given in brackets. A cat sat on my lap. Park, say, leg, pen, lid, hot, shed, pot, moon, hat, pet. Activity 7. Remove the first and the second letter respectively from the words in the given table and form new words as shown in the example. Chairs. hairs, air. Stable, table, able, slate, late, eight, price, rise, ice, stream, dream, dream, blend, lend, end, slant, lant, ant, stone, tone, one, small, mall, all, plate, late, eight, spear, peer, ear. Fourth lesson, a visit to a zoo. Answer the following questions. On what day did they go to the zoo? On Sunday, they went to the zoo. In the zoo, they saw only animals. True or false? False. In the zoo, they saw birds also. What are the wild animals mentioned in the passage? Lions, tigers, bears, and leopards are mentioned here. Where was the hippo seen? The hippo was seen in the pond. Using the dictionary, write the place where animals dwell or live. Tiger or lion, den, cave, dog, kennel, elephant, forest, crocodiles, water, cattle, shed, bird's nest. Describe the rhinoceros seen in the zoo. Rhinoceros have a thick skin and a horn on its nose. What are reptiles? Name some reptiles. The animals which have dry and scaly skin are reptiles. Example snakes, crocodiles, lizards. Activity 2. Fill in the names of the animals with the help of the pictures. Monkey, snake, bear, rabbit, tiger, giraffe, goat, camel, lion. Activity 3. Birds, parrot, peacock, owl, sparrow, eagle, kiwi. Reptiles, crocodile, lizard, tortoise, snake, turtle. Mammals, bear, zebra, leopard, giraffe, hippopotamus, bison, horse. Micro test 1. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions given below. Question number 1. How many peoples are mentioned in the passage? 6 people are mentioned in the passage. What is your opinion of the boy who had given the purse to the police? Answer. The boy was honest that he returned the purse. Third question. What did the speaker want to buy? The speaker wanted to buy a toy. Fourth question. Did his father buy him the toy immediately? No, but later his father bought him the toy. Describe the market scene. The market was crowded with people who were selling different things such as fruits, vegetables, pretty toys, very tasty toffees, and bangles. State if the following statements are true or false. True or false ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. First one right, second right, third wrong, 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 next wrong, last one wrong. Seventh, did the mother and sister go to the market? No, the mother and sister did not go to the market. Write the few sentences about a market you have visited recently. Market ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫ್ಯೂ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸನ್ನು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿಸಿಟೆಡ್ Gandhi Bazaar market recently. It was crowded by vendors, customers. There are many shops like cloth centers, bangle shop, toy shops, fruit shop, vegetable shop, utensils shop, gold shops, pani puri centers, hotels, etc. There are many cloth shops are there. All shops were filled by the people. I purchased I purchases one pair dress, slippers, bangles and fancy items. Then I drank sugarcane juice in juice center and ate ice cream at ice cream parlor on the way. I bought some notebooks, pen and pencil in stationery shop. Fifth, know your home. Activity 1, writing my home. Write 5 simple sentences about your home. My home name is Raghavi Nilaya. My home is sweet home. My parents' brother and me live in there. My parents love us a lot. My mother prepares delicious food and keeps the home clean. My father working as teacher and they handle all financial matter and take care of us. My brother and me we respect elders and studied well. Things at my home. Write these words in the right column. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್, ಕಿಚನ್, ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್, ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್, ಟೀಫಾಯ್, ಸೋಫಾ, ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್, ಟೇಬಲ್, ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್. ಕಿಚನಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪೂನ್, ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ನೈಫ್, ಸ್ಟವ್, ಕಪ್ಸ್. ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ವಾರ್ಡ್ರೋಬ್, ಕಾಟ್, ಬೆಡ್, ಪಿಲ್ಲೋಸ್, ಟೇಬಲ್. ಬಾತ್ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಟವಲ್, ಮಿರರ್, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್, ಮಗ್, ಟೂತ್ ಬ್ರಷ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ 3 ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರಿ. Translate, translation, polite, politeness, able, ability, sincere, sincereness, exhibit, exhibition, possesses, possession, forgive, forgiveness, excite, excitement, equal, equality, connect, connection, curious, curiosity, observe, observation, willing, willingness, direct, direction, dull, dullness, pure, purity. Activity 4. Positive, negative, love, hate, careful, careless, confidence, hesitation, sharing, greed, support, scold, enjoyment, jealous, kindness, expectation, friendship, fighting, polite, pride, helpful, harmful, truth, lie, happy, sadness, suggestion, possessive, proud, cunning. Activity 5. First, our family is camping. We are camping at the lake. We are loading the van. Dad is cleaning the grill. Mohan packed the boxes. I am rolling up the sleeping bags. A boy is jumping in the van. We are starting our trip. My ideal living room. My ideal living room is like this. It has sofa and teepot. There is a big television on the wall. There are two wide windows in the wall. It is covered by beautiful curtains. The walls are decorated by beautiful painting. There is an aquarium in the corner of the drawing room. Draw your own ideal classroom. Activity 6. Answer the following questions. Who is searching for a house? Meera is searching for a house. Who asked the owner about water? Meera asked the owner about water. Who likes ventilation in the rooms? Meera likes ventilation in the rooms. How much is the rent and advance to be paid for the house? The rent is ₹1,000 and the advance is 10,000. Who is introducing Meera? Mani is introducing Meera. Activity 7. First question. At the window, the stone threw the boy. The boy threw the stone at the window. Second, the stone broke the bedroom's window. The third one, the carpenter made some boxes quickly. Fourth, he posted the letter in the pillar box. Fifth, the lady lost her bag in the street. Sixth, a bomb dropped on the duckyard. Seventh one, the manager held a meeting last week. Eighth one, the aeroplane landed in the field. Sixth, Jambu, the cricketer. Reading activity 1. Anil Kumble. First question. When was Anil Kumble born? Anil Kumble was born on 17th October 1970. Who are Kumble's parents? Kumble's parents are Sri Krishnaswamy and Srimati Saroja. When did he start playing cricket? He started playing cricket at the age of 13. When and where was his first match held? The first match was held at Hyderabad in 1989. In which match did Kumble takes all the wickets? In the match against Pakistan 1999, Kumble took all the 10 wickets. When did Kumble announce his retirement? Kumble announced his retirement on 4th January 2012. Which of the qualities of Kumble do you like the most? Write in 4 or 5 sentences the achievements of Kumble. Anil Kumble is very cool personality figure. He never argued with the others while playing. He fielded positive attitude to the team as a coach. He helped to win the match in toughest situations. He performed very well in his matches and never show an attitude towards others. List the awards that Kumble received. Padma Shri Award and Arjuna Award that Kumble received. Discuss in groups why Kumble is nicknamed Jumbo. Write your answer in the space below. Kumble is nicknamed Jumbo by Navjot Singh Sidhu because his ball delivers were fast as a jumbo jet. Moreover, his feet are quite big as jumbo big as observed by his teammates. Activity 2 Grammar and Vocabulary. Write a or an to complete each sentence. First one a, second one a, third one an, fourth one an, fifth one a, sixth one a, seventh one a, eighth one a, ninth one a, tenth one an. Question 1. What is the boy doing? What is the cat doing? Third, what is the woman doing? Fourth, what is the monkey doing? Fifth, what is the girl doing? Sixth, what is the dog doing? Activity 4. Writing. Complete the following using is or are. First one is, second one are, third one are, fourth one are, fifth one is, sixth one is, seventh one is, eighth one are, ninth one are, tenth one is, 11th one are, 12th is. Microtest 2. Correct the error in the following sentences and rewrite them in the space provided. A. The children is playing. The children are playing. B. My father name is Mr. Ramu. All are working hard is my class. My friends are happy. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Mysuru is called the city of palaces. Rearrange the words in the following and make meaningful sentences. My school is in Chamrajnagar. I live with my parents. A bomb ducky and was dropped in the. We are six in our house. Rama and Kiran are very good friends. Bengaluru is a beautiful city. Write in 3 sentences about your teacher. Name. My teacher name is Raghavendra. Subject. Teach. He teaches English. Teaches kindness. He loves children a lot. List out the kitchen items in your home. Bowl, cooker, mixer, spoon, glasses, plates, stove, knife, cups, filter, strainer, spatula, tawa, fridge, water filter. Seventh one, healthy vitamins. Answer the following. Name the vitamins that we need to be healthy. Vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin C are the vitamins that we need to be healthy. Second, what do vitamins do for us? Vitamins are essential for some vital function of the body. Third question, how does vitamin A help us? Vitamin A helps for growth of vision and health skin and mucous membrane. Fourth, how does vitamin C helps us? Vitamin C prevents scurvy and is essential for healthy teeth, gums and blood vessels. How does vitamin B helps us? Vitamin B helps us to improve the nerve growth. Activity 2. Fill in the blanks with the right word given in the box below. We must eat good food, it gives us energy. Second one, strong. Third one, rest. Fourth one, oxygen. Fifth one, doctor. Sixth, pure. Seventh, clean. Eighth, clothes. Ninth, dirty. Tenth, short. Word puzzles. Activity 3. First one, this is a person who acts actor. Second one, tiger. Third, lotus. Fourth, coca. Next, steel. Next, geese. Next, fairy. Clock, banana, rocket. Activity 4, speaking. Now you answer all questions asked by Ram in the dialogue. First, yes, I get up early in the morning. Second, I go to school at 9:30. No, he does not. Fourth, I do my homework, read and write in the evening. Fifth, I often play chess with my brother. Sixth, yes, I always drink coffee. Seventh, no, I don't drink tea, I drink coffee. Activity 5, write a short dialogue on the situations given below. At the bus stand, conductor and passenger. Conductor, excuse me, do you have a ticket? Passenger, how can I get the ticket? Conductor, where do you want to go? Passenger, I want to go Shumoga. Conductor, how many do you want? Passenger, I want two tickets. Conductor, then give 30 rupees, 15 rupees per ticket. At the post office, postman and you. Me, good morning uncle. What is this big bag? Postman, this is a letters bag. I deliver letters. Me, from where do you get these letters? Postman, people from the other places write letters and send. I take them to given address. Third, in the classroom, teacher and student. Student, may I come in? Teacher, teacher, where are you late? Why are you late today? Student, my mother is not well. I did housework and comes. Teacher, oh, I am sorry. Take your seat. Activity 6. Who delivers our letters? Postman. Second, who teaches in the school? Teacher. Who stitches our class? Tailor. Who issues tickets in the bus? Conductor. Who argues in the court? Lawyer. It makes a ringing sound. Phone. It lays eggs. Hen. It holds up your trousers belt. We sleep on it. Bed. Baby birds stay in it. Nest. This comes after number 9, 10. It flies in the sky. Eagle. Reading and listening. Activity 8. Pick out some action words from the poem. Swam, came, blew, played, made, sing, wanted. Draw the picture of a fish and color it and write a few lines about fish. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಿನ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮೀನಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. Fish is an animal which lives in water. They breathe throughout the gills. They are covered with scales. Fish are in different colors and different size. Many people eat fish. Fish swims with the help of the fins. In the oceans, large fish like sharks live. In a aquarium, colorful fishes are there. Activity 9. Slow, old, dirty, right, truth, under, easy, sad. Activity 10. Make as many words as possible from each word. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್, ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪದದಿಂದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಸ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶಿಪ್, ಹಿಟ್, ಲೇಟ್, ನೆಟ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ರೀಡ್, ಟೀ, ಪಿನ್, ಹೀಲ್, ಪೆಟ್, ಟೇಪ್. ಪೇರೆಂಟಿಂದ 10, ಪ್ಯಾಟ್, ಈಟ್, ರ್ಯಾಟ್, ರೆಂಟ್, ಏಟ್, ನೆಟ್, ಟೀ, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್, ಪೆಟ್, ಇಯರ್. Examination, nation, time, mint, 9, 10, mine, man, mix, name, note. Founder, found, do, under, round, off, for, red, road, no, end. Administration, ration, main, nation, rat, sit, train, strain, mini, rain, admin. Activity 11. Prepositions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. We live in, second in, fourth to, fourth, third to, fourth with, fifth from, sixth with, seventh with, eighth from. Activity 13. Write new words using the last letter of the word. Forest, tiger, rat, egg, god, dog, deer, road, dig, goat, 10, net, time, elephant, tree. Book, kite, eagle, elephant, tides, etc. Letter, rat, tortoise, etc. School, lion, note, eat, etc. Activity 14. Given words that mean more or less the same as the ones given, choose your answer from the box. Trust, believe, last, end, advance, move forward, harm, damage, leave, go away, astonish, surprise, fail, unsuccessful, insert, put in, change, do better, glance, look. Activity 15. Give the antonyms of the following words. Choose your answers from the box. Deep, shallow, rough, smooth, lazy, active, cheap, expensive, tiny, large, easy, difficult, harsh, gentle, dense, sparse, sad, happy, above, below. Micro test 3. Like, dislike, different, same, happy, sad, beautiful, ugly, possible, impossible, perfect, imperfect, usual, unusual, dull, active, rough, smooth, easy, difficult, light, dark, wrong, right, kind, rude, regular, irregular. Write the words that has or same meaning. Look, watch, lost, final, fail, unsuccessful, harmful, bad, surprise, astonish, few, less, bad, wicked, desire, aspiration, small, tiny, come back, return. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate word. First one to, second one off, third one in, D, off, E, near, 8th, time, day. Activity 1. First one, how does one know it is night? When there is absolutely dark and the moon has risen, then one should know it is night. Second, what does one know it is afternoon? When the sun is directly over our head, then it is afternoon. Which part of the day is called dawn? Dawn. The morning part of the day is called dawn. Which part of the day is called dusk? The evening part of the day is called dusk. How is a clock useful to us? Clock tells us the time and we can do our work correctly. Sixth, dawn, dusk, night, forenoon or afternoon. Dawn ಗೆ get up, brush teeth, take bath, have breakfast. Dusk ಗೆ return home, do homework, worship God, say prayer, help mother in household work, have supper, play with friends. Night ಅಲ್ಲಿ have dinner, watch television, go to bed. Forenoon ಅಥವಾ afternoonಗೆ have lunch, listen to the teachers, play with friends in school, participate in school activities. Make a table of your everyday routine. Morning, afternoon, evening ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. I wake up early in the morning. I wish parents. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. I read textbook. I take bath. I have breakfast. I get ready for school. I say goodbye to parents. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಲೀವ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ರೀಚ್ ಹೋಮ್, ವಾಶ್ ಮೈ ಫೇಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಕಾಫಿ, ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. Activity 2. It is 8 o'clock. I take bath at 8 o'clock in the morning. It is 6:25 in the evening. I do my homework at 6:25 in the evening. It is 4:45. I go to home at 4:45 in the evening. It is 2:45. 2:45. I take rest at the 2:45 p.m. on Sunday. What time of the day is called dawn? When the sun comes up and birds begins to sing is called dawn. What time of the day is called dusk? When the sun begins to set and starts getting dark is called dusk. Find the midwords in the passage. The middle of the day is called midday. The middle of the night is called midnight. Activity 3. Fill in the blanks with the help of the clues given below. The sun sets in the west. Stand and point your right hand to the east. Stand outside your home. Your left side is the west. Now you are facing north direction. The direction behind you is south. Ask your partner what is his or her daily routine is. Note down the answer. Varsha. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Varsha. When do take bath? Niti. I take bath at 8 o'clock. Varsha. What time do you have your breakfast? Niti. I have my breakfast at half past 8. Varsha. When do you go to school? I go to school at 9:30 a.m. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಪದ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ. ವರ್ಷ. At what time do you have your lunch? Niti. I have my lunch at 1 o'clock. ವರ್ಷ. When do you leave school? Niti. I leave my school at 4:30. ವರ್ಷ. When do you have your dinner? Niti. I have my dinner at 9 o'clock. Varsha. When do you go to bed? Niti. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Activity 5. March, February, June, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now each one of you take the role of one of the above. Ask your class, who are you? Activity 6. Compound words. Postmaster, postman. Birth, stairs, newspaper. Bed, light, teapot. Tooth, clock, moonlight. Tea, place, headmaster. News, ball, toothbrush. Footman, bedroom. Pier room, peacock. Moon, rush, birthplace. Down, pot, downstairs. Head, paper, football. Activity 7. Use before and after as prepositions and make as many sentences as possible using the following table. Read the dialogue carefully. Now answer the following questions. Whose school day function is mentioned in the dialogue? Sneha's school day function is mentioned. Can all attend the function? Yes, all can attend the function. What are the different items of entertainment in the program? Dance, magic shows, songs and skit. Is Rani attending the program? Yes, Rani is attending the program. Name the classes of students participating in the different items of entertainment. The students of 8th and 9th standard. Name the event in which Sneha is participating. Sneha is participating in magic show. Now write 5 sentences about how you celebrate your school day function. We celebrate our school day function in the month of January every year. On that day we do dances, sing songs and perform dramas. Headmaster and teachers distribute the prizes for the winners of sports and other competition. Read the following. Who do you think has given this advertisement? The food wheat shopkeeper has given this advertisement. What is the advertisement for? The advertisement is for sale of shoes. Sale of shoes. What is the special offer? High special discount. When is the last day for buying an on special discount? Tomorrow is the last day. Write the past form of the following verbs. Go, went, remembered, wrote, caught, talked, ran, left, made, walked, bought, returned, moved, played, charted, placed, checked, knew, attended. Opposite word. Difficult, easy, shallow, deep, strange, familiar, lazy, active. Add en or an and complete the words. Relevant, different, pollutant, elegant, vigilant, department. Unit 9. Complete the following. Monday, Thursday, Friday, 32 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius. Activity 2. Naming words. Shafali, school, cycle, homework, brother, games, subject, teachers, harmonium, friends, sports. Action words. Clock, does, goes, living, like, shows, doing, helps, participates, play. Descriptive words. Regular, 12-year, younger. Activity 3. First one ಗೆ to learn, second one ಗೆ to see the animals and birds kept there, third one ಗೆ to play, fourth one ಗೆ to What are the plants there? Fifth one to write, sixth one to read, seventh one to sleep. Activity 4. Comes, write the same passage without mistake. Micro test 4. Complete the following dialogue. Do you drink coffee or tea? I prefer coffee to tea. Do I add sugar or not? With sugar, please. Take, there it is. Thank you. Write in 50 to 70 words describing your pet. The dog is my pet animal. Its name is Tony. It is a big and lovable. It wags its tail when I go back home. It tickles ticks my hands. It sleeps near my bed. It barks when the strangers come. Our family members love it a lot. Write the following time in words. It is 6:30. It is 6:45. It is 12 o'clock in night. It is 10 to 8. It is 10:15. It is 10 past 5. It is 8 o'clock and 40 minutes. What are the astronomers doing? Astronomers are investigating the kind of life existing on the other planets. Name the major planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Do all planets have moons? No, Mercury and Venus don't have moons. Name the brightest star. Venus is the brightest star. What do we call a group of stars? The group of stars is called a galaxy. Write the word which has the same meaning: repellent, resistant, soft, smooth, huge, large, easy, quite, simple,